In this video, we'll show you how to set up the app intro screen in Evlop, the onboarding experience your customers see the very first time they open your app. We're at the Evlop mobile app landing page. And now let's go to the features page. Scroll down to find the app intro screen. Navigate the app intro screens feature. Enable it. Let's configure it to add intro screens. It will only show to each customer once, the first time they launch the app. This is the app intro screen feature page. Here you can add different screens to design the welcome experience that greets new customers when they first open your app. Let's add a first screen. Here, you can select screen types. The full screen image option is perfect for high-impact visuals. It allows you to showcase a beautiful, edge-to-edge image of your brand or products with the option to overlay custom text to immediately grab your customer's attention. For a more balanced layout, choose Split Image and Text. This screen type places your image and messaging side by side, giving you a clean and organized way to describe specific features or offers while keeping your branding front and center. If you need to share important updates or store policies, the informative text screen is the ideal choice. This simple, text-focused layout includes a direct button that can open your app settings, making it easy for users to take action or learn more. The language and country selection screen is an addition to your Shopify Markets integration. It prompts new users to choose their preferred country and language manually upon opening the app. This ensures a consistent and localized shopping journey by applying the regional settings you've already defined in Shopify. With these flexible screen types, you have control over your app's onboarding experience. From welcoming new shoppers to personalizing their global settings, Evlop makes it easy to guide your customers exactly where they need to go. We can't wait to see the beautiful intro flows you create for your mobile app. Create an onboarding experience that sets the tone from the very first tap. Install Evlop to get started.